One of the biggest problems in our society is food waste. But now, also you can make a difference, starting from your refrigerator. Thanks to a beautiful and technological device. Easy to use, but extremely powerful. We are Vitesy, a young startup of over 25 people. And after successfully launching 3 products, we decided to do something really amazing for you. So let us introduce you to Shelfy. No matter how hard we try to make a difference against climate change, do our best to reduce our carbon footprint, waste sorting as best as we can, let's confess it, we all hide some skeletons in our closet, or even worse, in our refrigerator. For example, those Evers that are so healthy, but then you forgot about them and it was too late. And we know you can't go every day to buy your groceries, and no matter how hard you try, they don't last more than a week. Or that special offer on those strawberries, but then you had to go away that weekend. All goes to the same place, trash. 20% of food is wasted every year. This waste is responsible for 10% of CO2 emissions globally. And this brings us to climate change that is affecting our daily life, making our planet poorer and making us poorer too. An average US household loses almost $2,000 in wasted food every year. The solution? Shelfy, a revolutionary device for you. Simply press the button, put it in your refrigerator, and it will help you save food and money by keeping your food fresh and edible longer, increasing shelf life up to 12 days. Sometimes, it's in fact a matter of days for your food, and voila, Shelfy is here to help you. We use advanced nanomaterials to destroy microorganisms that are the main cause of food deterioration. This also reduces the bacterial load and bad odors. And you don't need to change the filter, just wash it under water. And Shelfy is super easy to recharge. It features a powerful battery that can work up to 30 days. And just choose between full speed, standard. Hey Alexa, put Shelfy in eco mode please. It's also super smart and has a door opening sensor, so it knows how many times you open your refrigerator. And thanks to our app, you can understand how to save energy in every moment. You might know us already. Our technologies have been chosen by some of the biggest brands in the world. But this is our most ambitious project. We want to make a difference starting from our own refrigerator. And we want as many people as possible to eat healthily while saving food and money. But we need your help to make this happen, and we must do it now. So please help us by backing this project and telling your friends. Let's save food and let's save the world together. Thank you.